Hello, I have a question about the serum and the roller. I know that the roller you should use every 2 to 3 days, but should the serum be used every day or only on the days that you use the roller? So Ashley, great question. Welcome to the community. I think you'll find it's a really great place with a lot of value, and it's a special place. So we're thankful that you're here. Um, and yes, you want to use the topical every day. That is pretty much like foundational to the Adegen protocol, and I'll go through the whole routine at the very end. But absolutely, you want to use the topical every day, and even on days that you don't shower. So if you shower, shower this morning and you apply the topical afterwards, and you don't shower tomorrow, you still want to apply the topical solution, another dose of topical solution. And actually, by doing that, you'll get a double dose and a double amount of contact time. So you'll have even better results. So yes, absolutely, you want to use the topical solution every single day.